You have another option to filter data in an Excel table. This option is called Slicer. By using this option, you can save your time. Slicer buttons fastly display record of table. Active any cell of table. Then click Table Design tool. In Tools group, click Insert Slicer button. The Insert Slicer dialog box opens. You have many options here. I check month box. Click OK. Press mouse and drag at this position. You can create more than one slicer in an Excel table. To display slicer options tools, click on month. Click Options button. You can format slicer by using these options. To decrease the height of box, in Size group, click this button. Similarly, to decrease the width of box, click this button. To choose slicer styles, click this button. I select this style. Now, to display month of June sales in an Excel table, click June button. Scroll up, press mouse and drag up. You have store sales data in month of June. To display month of November sales in an Excel table, click November button. You have store sales data in month of November. To redisplay all records, click Clear button. In this way, you can create slicer and display each month sales.